Hello little learner, welcome back to the magical world of letters. Today we are going to explore the exciting letter Y. Here it is big Y and little y. The letter Y makes the sound y, like in yawn or yellow. Let's explore 4 fun Y words together. Y is for yellow, the bright color of sunshine. Yawn, what we do when we are sleepy. Yogurt, a yummy and healthy snack. Yoga, a fun way to stretch and relax. Now, let's sing a Y letter song.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah.
Let's remember the words we learned today with the letter Y. Yellow, yawn, yogurt and yoga. All start with the y sound. Great job little learner. You did fantastic learning the letter Y. Clap your hands and stretch like in yoga. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun videos. See you soon. Bye-bye.